Question is like, how do you get somebody who just can't self-regulate and they can't stop themselves to change tasks at a given hour? So I mean, that's like the essence of ADHD, right? So that's why I think it's super important for the parents and the student to be on the same page, right? Like, you have to know exactly what it's supposed to look like. The kid has to know exactly what it's supposed to look like. And you both have to remember that this is going to be a million times harder for the kid than you or they would like it to be, right? And you have to remember that it's not fair to expect everyone to solve their problems, in 6 weeks, and that this might take years, right? But I'll promise you that there is no better way of doing school than this way that's driven by the science of learning and the vagaries of DC traffic and the school bus schedule, right? Like, all you can do is aim at what you know to be the best and inch yourself toward it until you're at a point where it's no longer so painful. So you want, like, removing distractions helps. Timers help. Timers that are not on the phone, right? Timer on a little tiny clock, like a $10 clock with a buzzer. Rules, like rules in the house about no this or that. I mean, I don't tell people what rules to set, but I could tell you some of the rules that parents have told me they set, and oh man, parents have no trouble thinking up rules. The hard part's enforcing them, right? But if it's painful for everybody, then the buy-in will come sooner. But nobody's suggesting that the only way for it to go better would be to practice these things relentlessly, right? So if we're going to do that, we just want to make sure we're practicing the right stuff.